Okay, so I just primed my eyelid with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna take this shade called Spice from the BH Cosmetics in my Ray palette, and just place that in my crease with the ColourPop E1 brush. Called Louis, I'm pretty sure. I think so, yeah. From the ColourPop Yes Please palette on the e.l.f. blending brush with the black one right there. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna do the same thing. So after that, I just took the red shade from the ColourPop Yes Please and the shade Sunset from the BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray palette. They both red, and I just tapped them on using a flat brush. So this is the ColourPop red shade. I'm just tapping that like I'm doing a cut crease with it, but I'm not. You see that's very pigmented. I'm gonna go over top of that with the Sunset shade from the BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray palette. Taking that same brush, the same e.l.f. brush we just used, and we're gonna take the shade Mousse right here. Sorry, I'm blinding you guys, right here, and just tap that brush into it, like really pack it on there and blend this whole thing out. Cause that shade is lighter. We're gonna start off with the shade Midnight. It's just this dark brown shade right here, and then we're gonna go on with this shade called Black Beauty. It's a black eyeshadow, of course. So I'm taking Midnight from the It's My Ray BH Cosmetics palette on the same brush. I'm tapping that at my outer part, outer corner of my eye. Not really showing up, but it's okay. That's what we have black for. You want to tap a lot. You can't tell because, well, there it is. Tap it on the outer part, right? Then at the inner part. If you think one part is darker than the other, make sure you add the same amount of pigment to the other part. And now, you want to tap off the excess and start blending into the crease. The flat brush from earlier, but obviously not the side we used the red on. We're tapping it off. And I'm taking this highlighter by ColourPop. It's the, look at it blinding. It's the Press Powder highlighter and Happy Camper. Let me swatch it. So now I'm gonna do eyeliner off camera though. I'm just taking the ColourPop and It's My Ray. ColourPop. I said It's My Ray. And what's that name again? I Love Side Eye E lipstick and Mamacita and the ankle brush. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take the shade Sunset. Oh, yeah, the shade Sunset right there, the red shade. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. I know this video was like very rushed, but I like the way it turned out, and I like the way my foundation turned out, everything. So yeah, my latest video will be linked down below. Check it out.